Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Ads Enhanced Conversion Tracking with Google Tag Manager. Google Ads Enhanced Conversion Tracking help you track conversion more accurately by using customer data like email or phone number. This data is securely hashed and sent to Google to match with users, improving tracking even when cookies are blocked. It ensures better campaign result, work across device, and respect privacy rules. So Google Ads enhanced conversion tracking is important. Before run Google Ads campaign, you should set up enhanced conversion tracking. In this video, I'll show you how to set up enhanced conversion tracking for e-commerce purchase event. If you want to see a video on enhanced conversion tracking for lead form submission, let me know in the comment section and I'll create one. Now let's see how to set up Google Ads enhanced conversion tracking through Google Tag Manager. First, you have to create a Google Tag Manager account and then add Google Tag Manager to your website. So I assume you have already done that. After connected Google Tag Manager with your website, now we should go preview from our GTM. But before go preview, I just show you shortly how you can install Google Tag Manager with your website. So first, when you open your Google Tag Manager account, you can get a screen like this. You need to click just your container ID here, you can see, and then just copy this code. Before copy this code, just open your website backend, and this is my WordPress website. That's why this admin section like this. But if your website made by Shopify, then you can see another screen. And if you don't know how to install Google Tag Manager on Shopify store, you can check out description. I'll provide there my previous video link. So when you open your WordPress website, you have to just go your plugin section, then just click on add new plugin, because we need to install small plugins for install Google Tag Manager with our WordPress website. So for that, as you can see, I have already go add new plugin section. Now I need to search here plugin, and plugin name is GTM for WP. So shortly you can write here GTM for WP, then enter. After clicking enter, you can see here is we get small plugin. Plugin name is GTM for WP, a Google Tag Manager. So you have to just install this plugin and then active it. So I have already active this plugin, you can see here. Okay, now if I go this settings section, we can see here is show Google Tag Manager. Actually, when we install this plugin, then you can see this option in the settings section. Okay, then if I click Google Tag Manager option, then I can see another screen like this. Okay, so now open your Google Tag Manager account, and then you need to copy this ID. Just copy it and again open this tab, and you have to paste here your GTM container ID. You can see I have already pasted here GTM container ID. Then you need to just click on save. Okay, after press on save, our Google Tag Manager installation is done with our website. So now if I go preview from our website, from our Google Tag Manager account, then you can check our GTM installation is complete or not. As you know, we need to paste here our website URL, then press on connect. Okay, now you can see Google Tag Manager is connected with our website, like Tag Assistant connected. So if I go Tag Assistant section and click on continue, then you can see here is in the summary section show some window loaded DOM ready. So if I go any product page, now if I go Tag Assistant, then I can see which event shown here. So if I open Tag Assistant, then we can see here I don't see any view item event. But why? Because we didn't enable the data layer on our website. To set up Google's enhanced conversion tracking, we have to enable data layer, and it's very important. But don't worry, I'll show you how to enable data layer. So again, if you open your admin panel, we can see we have to go this Tag Manager plugin section again, and then click on integration, select Ecommerce. Now here we need to check some option like track e-commerce. Also here we need to check another option, that is customer data and data layer, because we are going to set up enhanced conversion tracking, and for enhanced conversion tracking, customer data is important. So we need to just check this option and scroll down, click on save change. Okay, data layer enable is done. Or if you have maybe Shopify store or any other platform, and I have already made a video on how to enable data layer on Shopify store. If you feel you need to watch them, please check the description. I'll provide there my videos link. Okay, now we are going to follow some step by step, then we can completely set up our enhanced conversion tracking. So if you feel you need to some guide, so I have already made this doc file for you. You can just follow this doc file and just copy and paste. It's very easy for you, so you can get this doc file in the video description. Okay, now let's talk about how we can set up. So step 1, trigger creation. So we are just enable data layer. For checking data layer enable is work or not, again if I go preview from GTM, we can check manually. So yeah, tag assistant is connected. So now if I go any product page, so now we need to purchase any product for test purpose. Actually we need to see when we purchase our product which event fire in the tag assistant. As you can see, I view this product page. So if I go tag assistant, we should see here is view item event. So see here is view item event, and now if I purchase this product, we should see here is purchase. Okay, so just quickly I purchased this product. Well, you can see I have already purchased this product. So now if I go tag assistant, then you can see here is purchase option in the summary section. So if I click this purchase option, then you can see here is data layer push event name is purchase. So you have to just copy this purchase name like this, and then open your Google Tag Manager account, then click on trigger, then select new. Again click on trigger configuration. Here you have to scroll down little bit, then you can find here custom event. Just select this event and you have to just paste here event name. So I just paste here purchase event name. Also if you open this doc file, actually this is guide for you for easily set up Google Ads enhanced conversion tracking. You can see I write here step by step, like first what you need to do, then what you need to do. So before create trigger, you have to enable data layer on your website. We are already enabled data layer in our website. So if your website made by Shopify, you can watch this video like how to enable data layer in Shopify website. Then full process will be same. So now what we need to do, then after enabling data layer, you need to create a trigger. So now we're just going to create trigger. So see here is the write everything very well for you, like trigger type custom event. Already we are selected custom event here, and then if you paste this name from here, you can copy from this name, you can copy this name from here, see, and then trigger name purchase trigger. So I just copy this trigger name from here, then I can paste here this like here I can write manually. Also I can paste here from my doc file. Okay, so I just write here purchase trigger, then click on save. Okay, our step 1 is done. Now we need to follow step 2, that is tag creation. So press tag, click on new, then tag configuration. Here you need to select Google Ads, then Google Ads conversion tracking. We can see here 5 field for put some data. Like you can see here is conversion ID, here is conversion label, here is conversion value, transaction ID, currency code. How we can fill up this field? For conversion ID and conversion label, we need to create purchase conversion in Google Ads. So our step 3 is create conversion in Google Ads. How we can do that? Just open your Google Ads account, then click goals, then select conversion, and then in the conversion section here you can see summary. Just press here, then we can see here is no active conversion action. Just we need to just create conversion. Just select new conversion action, select website. Here we have to provide our website domain name. So simply open your website, click your domain, just paste here your domain, click on scan. After scanning, if I scroll down, we can see add a new conversion action manually. You have to just press this one, and then goals and action optimization. So now we need to select our conversion category. So select categories and then purchase. Okay, scrolling here, you need to write your conversion name. So I just write here Google Ads purchase with GTM. Well, Now if I scroll down, we can see here is three options, like one is use the same value for each conversion, another one is use different value for each conversion, and then don't use value for this conversion action, not recommended. Yeah, you don't have to select this one. You have to select use different value for each conversion, and then you have to select every. Okay, here in the count section you have to select every. Then scrolling, you don't need to do anything with this, just click on save. Good job, you have successfully created conversion in Google Ads. Now you need to do just click on save and continue. Now you have to select use Google Tag Manager, because we are going to set up this conversion through Google Tag Manager. That's why click use Google Tag Manager. Here our conversion ID you can see. So if I open my Google Tag Manager account, you can see we have to put here conversion ID, conversion label. So you can see here is conversion ID, here is conversion label. So first copy conversion ID, open Google Tag Manager, paste here your conversion ID. Then again you need to copy your conversion label, copy again Google Tag Manager, open, and then paste here. And now we need to provide another three option values, like conversion value, transaction ID, currency code. So how we can do that? For that we need to create some variable in GTM. So how we can create variable? Wait, I'll show you within 1 minute. So now I just going to save this tag for some time. Scroll down and select triggering. Your trigger will be purchase trigger. Then save this tag name. Okay, so this is our Google Ads conversion tracking. So I just write here Google Ads purchase conversion tracking. Okay, let's see how we can create some variables. So our step 4 is variable creation. So for that we need to go preview mode, and if I go preview mode, then if I purchase any product like this, we have already purchased product, and if I open tag assistant, we can see here is purchase. And now from this purchase event, if you click data layer, you can see here we can see lots of option, like lots of data in the data layer section. So we need to create some data layer variable from here in GTM. So first open your GTM account, click variables, then this variable will be user defined. So select user defined variables, then variable configuration, select data layer variable. Okay, so here we need to write our data layer variable. So if I open tag assistant, then what we need to do, if you open my doc file, you can see we need three variable for purchase conversion. First conversion value, then transaction ID, then conversion to currency. So how we can create this variable? For create conversion value, first you have to copy Ecommerce, then open GTM, paste here, then here you need to write dot, again open tag assistant, copy value and paste here. Okay, our first variable creation done. Just click on save, and now you need to write your data layer variable name, and I have already write data layer variable name in the doc file. If you open this doc file, then you can see here is variable type data layer, then variables name, value. Like for conversion value, we are already write this variable name, we have already make this variable, so this variable name will be conversion value. So copy this name. Also you can write anything here as you need, so I just write this variable name, then press on save. Okay, our first variable creation is done, but we need three variable like conversion value, transaction ID, conversion currency. We are just create conversion value variable, but we need another two variable. So if you open tag assist again, we can say we need transaction ID. So for that, just first you have to copy e-commerce, then enter dot, then copy transaction ID. So as you can see here in the doc file, I have already make e-commerce dot transaction ID. You can just copy this name and then create new variable, data layer variable, and then paste here. Okay, so I just paste here ecommerce.transaction id, and this variable name will be transaction id. So copy from here, then paste here, then save these variables. Okay, we have to create another one. So again, same way, data layer variables, then open doc file, copy ecommerce.currency, paste here, done, save. We need to write our variable name. So variable name will be conversion currency. So I just paste here conversion currency name, then save. You can easily create these variables manually. Like if I go tag assistant, then here you need to just, for e-commerce currency, just copy e-commerce, then enter dot, then you have to just copy currency like this. Okay, so I make this doc file for you for your ease of understanding. So I hope this doc file will help you. So yeah, our variable creation done. So now we need to open again our tag and then select Google Ads purchase conversion tracking. Now if you click conversion ID, then again we can select conversion value, transaction ID, currency code. So select this plus icon, select conversion value. For transaction ID, again same way, select this plus icon, select transaction ID. Then for currency code, again select conversion currency. So we can save this tag and our okay, wait, we can see here is conversion linker tag is missing. So you have to just create this option, create. For Google Ads conversion tracking, we need this conversion linker. So just ticker will be all pages, then save this and save it. Okay, so it's done. You can see here. Okay, so if now we save this tag, so our Google Ads conversion tracking is done. But this video about enhanced conversion tracking. For enhanced conversion tracking, we need to pass some additional parameter like user data, for example user email address, user phone number, user first name, user last name. So how we can send through this tag, I will show you. Just wait and see. So for that, you have to click this option here. You can see include user provided data from your website. So check this option, then you can see here is another option. You have to select new variable, then you can see what type of data we need to pass to Google. Email, phone number, first name, last name, street, city, everything we have to pass through Google Tag Manager to Google Ads. Okay, so how we can do that? For that, if I select this option, we can't see anything here like user email address. So for that, we need to create additional more variables in the Google Tag Manager. So how we can do that? So right now I just uncheck this option and then click save. Now we're going to create some additional variables for enhanced conversion tracking. Okay, so again go variables, then select user defined variables, variable configuration, then select data layer variable. Then if you go tag assistant, you can see in the purchase section, and then if you select data layer, then we can see here is lots of option like customer first name, customer last name. This type of data we have to pass through Google Tag Manager. So if you open my doc file and scroll down, you can see here is I have already make this name like name list, DLB user email, user phone. What we can do first, we need user email. So for that, you have to just copy user email data layer name, like this is our email address. So you have to just copy this customer billing email, then open Google Tag Manager, paste here, then save this variable. You can write data layer variable anywhere as we need. So also if you want to save your time, you can just copy from here and then paste here, then save. Okay, so this is our first customer billing email. And now if you open again tag assistant, then we can see we can copy user like customer billing first name. So if I open doc file, then we can see we need now phone, that means phone number. So if I open again, then find here phone number, which is phone number, this is phone number. So customer billing phone number, you have to copy this name like this, then open again Google Tag Manager account, select user defined variable, variable configuration, data layer variable, then paste here customer billing phone, then save this variable. So again open doc file, copy data layer variable name and paste here, save. let's see what type of data we need to pass, like user first name. So open tag assistant, then find user first name, like customer billing first name. This is user first name, so copy this name. Again, same thing, same way, we have to create another some variables. So I just do it quickly, so it's save your time. So this is our user last name. Copy these variable names. So now we need to find user billing city, so copy billing city. Again, data variable user billing city, copy variable name, then save this variable again. We can see we need to make another 3 variables. Well, variable creation done. Now if I open tag and Google Ads conversion tracking, now we can check include user provide data from your website, and then select new variable. And now we can select easily, like for email we can select user email. For phone number, select user phone number like this. Then here is first name, so select first name. Then last name, select last name from here, so this is our last name. Street, you have to select your street, like I just make it here, street. Then city, so user city will be this user city. Region, you have to select region. Then countries, yeah, so now we need to select countries, like user country, so this is user country. Then finally postal code, so select postal code. Now it's done, so select save. Then you can write anything as you need, but it's fine, like user provided data, so save. So yeah, our setup almost done. So now if I save, so this is done. Again, you need to go your Google Ads account, then select done. We can see this is our purchase conversion tracking. So you have to just open again and go settings. Here we need to change something like enhance conversion, so select this option. Then to be sure, you have check this use conversion tagging for this conversion action. Sometimes it's maybe not enable this option, so you should check it. Okay, so everything looks fine. So now if I go summary, we can see here is status inactive because we are just set up Google Ads conversion tracking, but we don't run any ads campaign right now, and we don't get any sales. When you get sales through Google Ads campaign after set up Google Ads conversion tracking, then you can see here is active your conversion. Okay, so now just submit your Google Tag Manager account and it's work properly and fine. So now time to check our setup is done or not. So for that we should go preview again and purchase product for test purpose, and then see our tag is fire or not. So for that I just close these two options, then go preview. So yeah, it's already connected with Tag Assistant. So now if I go any product page and purchase this product, then we can test our Google Tag Manager properly working or not. So I just quickly purchase this product. Okay, as you can see, I have already purchased this product, and now if I go Tag Assistant, then we should see our tag is fire or not. As you can see, our tag is fire, like Google Ads purchase conversion tagging, also conversion linker. So yeah, that's it. I hope this video will help you to set up Google Ads in-hand conversion tracking. If you think this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.